welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Chief Minister assures to confirm 1,400 PWD workers by December. Government to create 300 posts for English teachers in primaries. Chief Minister says posts of 30 Gramsevaks illegal. Hearing on 48 mines before State Pollution Control Board adjourned by 8 weeks. Goa Foundation claims data provided by State Mines Department not reliable to approach Indian Bureau of Mines. Veteran Congress leader Pranab Mukherjee resigns as Finance Minister. Mukherjee to contest presidential poll, Prime Minister to keep Finance Ministry. Take firm stand on travel advisory by UK government demands Alexo Lorenzo, Kutori Congress MLA says, would raise issue of casinos in monsoon session. And in sports, 3 table tennis office bearers and 1 basketball office bearer resign. Resignations after pressure from Sandeep Heble on government servants serving in sports associations illegally. Change is a fact of life. Even the Goa Cricket Association is not spared. Here is a flashback into chain of events leading to a double whammy for the Narvekars. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured to confirm around 1,400 PWD workers by December and create 300 posts for English teachers in primary schools by August. The delegation of PWD workers and teachers met the Chief Minister at his official residence in Altin on Tuesday. Meanwhile, youth met Chief Minister fearing scrapping of 30 Gramsevak posts by the government. Parrikar says posts are illegal.
1,441 workers of PWD would be regularized by December. The workers have been working in PWD for around 20 years on meager salaries ranging from 4 to 5,000.
सीएमान परत आज आश्वासन दिल्ले आसा की PWD मिनिस्टरान जो स्टेटमेंट सोमारा काढलेलो आसा त्या प्रमाणेच जातले आणि जो असेंब्ली पयली काय जावचे ना जे असेंब्ली नंतर सगळे जातले असेंब्ली जाल्या उपरांत तुम्ही असे टार्गेट धरना की सप्टेंबरानच सगळे काम सोंपतले त्या खातीर सगळे काम करपा खातीर जे ऑफिशियली सगळे म्हणजे एक ताका एक हे लागता तो डिसेंबर पर्यंत जर तुमचे कडेन झाले ना आपल्या कडेन जाल्यार तुम्ही डिसेंबरान कितेंय डिसिजन घेवन माझे कडेन येता कितें पण आपले डिसिजन आसा ते डिसेंबर सगळे कंप्लीट करतलो आमचो एकूच आम्ही मुद्दो घेवन गेल्लो की रेग्युलरायझेशन याच्या वयर आमकां काय नाका.
Government has also assured to create posts of English teachers in primary schools by August.
गव्हर्मेंटान सांगले की रेग्युलर पोस्ट येवपाचे म्हणून जुलय जावं ऑगस्ट म्हणून एक 400-450 पोस्ट येतले आनी आमचेर विचार जातलो असो म्हणून की बाबा पयलीं काम केलां हें खंय तरी कावंट जातली सर्वीस म्हणून आनी जे कितें उलयलां ते सॅटिस्फायड आहा अशें एक्झॅक्ट आमी विचारपाक केला हांव ते मातशें एक नवीन टायमार एक इश्यू जाल्लो पळय तो की इंग्लीश उलोवंक कळना अशें मिसअंडरस्टँडींग क्रिएट जाल्ली ती जस्ट डावट क्रिएट करपाक गेल्लो ते जालें क्लियर तशें कांय ना
क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिलें
ना आपूण सहज उलयल्ले अशें म्हणून आमचे खुबशे ना खुबशे आमचे ग्रुप अशे येता अशें म्हणून आपूण कोणा तरी उलयल्लो अशें म्हणून एक्झॅक्ट सांगूंक पावूंक ना की कोणा कडेन आपूण इंटरेक्ट केल्लो अशें म्हणून सो आमी चड ते उलोवन फायदो ना कारण काम जाता फायन.
However, Chief Minister says 30 posts of Gramsevaks and offer letters issued to them are illegal.
3 to 4 months जाले आमी वाट पळयता आमकां कांयच रिस्पॉन्स मेळना एक तर पॉझिटिव्ह रिस्पॉन्स दिवप नेगेटिव्ह बट कांयच मेळना एवरी टायम आमकां इग्नोर केल्या येता. आमी पंचायत मिनिस्टराक मेळटा हॉनेबल पंचायत मिनिस्टर लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर तो सांगता की तुमी सीएम सराक मेळात म्हणून सीएम सराक मेळ सीएम सर सांगता तुमची फायल मेळोंक ना कितें ना काय ना म्हणून आयज सरान डायरेक्ट सांगले की तुमची कितें इलिगल हा फायल येना म्हणून सो आतां कशें कितें आमी नको म्हणून आमी डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायती मिनिनो डिसोजा तेणेंच आमकां ऑफर लेटर दिल्लो तेका मेळ आमी ते सांगता की तुमची सगळी लिगल आहा तुमकां घेवपाकूच जाय सो आमी फुडें आतां कितें करचें तें आमी रिक्वेस्ट करता सीएम सराक की तेणें आमकां कितें तें सांगप आनी आमचें मातशी डिसिजन घेवन प्रोसिजर फुडें काडून आमकां जॉयन करप एकूच आमी रिक्वेस्ट करता.
A reporter from Panji Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
The hearing on the 48 mines before the State Pollution Control Board has been adjourned by 8 weeks. The plea filed by the Goa Foundation alleging over-extraction by the mines came up for hearing before the board on Tuesday. Foundation claimed that the data provided by the State Mines Department is not reliable and will ask for data from Indian Bureau of Mines. The respondent mining companies will thereafter counter the petitioner's claims.
Goa Foundation had filed a petition in the High Court alleging over-extraction by 48 mines. High Court had asked Goa Pollution Control Board to conduct inquiry and submit detailed report. Pollution Control Board had held joint hearing of the petitioner, mining companies and Directorate of Mines on Tuesday. During the hearing, Goa Foundation claimed that the data provided by the State Mines Department is not reliable. They will now ask for data from Indian Bureau of Mines. Hearing on 48 mines before the State Pollution Control Board has now been adjourned by 8 weeks.
That the figures produced by the Goa Foundation do not tally the figures showing that excess production in one particular mine. So that particular mine appealed to the Directorate of Mines regarding that erroneous error in the figures, and subsequently the Director of Mines has issued a letter saying that it stands corrected. So in view of that, the complainant Goa Foundation still had doubt regarding all the data submitted by the Directorate of Mines, and they wanted the actual figures from the IBM, Indian Bureau of Mines. So the board took a decision that will give them 4 weeks time from today, 4 weeks time for the Goa Foundation to submit the data as produced by the IBM, and subsequently another 4 weeks will be given to the mines to respond to that.
Nothing has happened. They have given us 8 weeks time because they want to verify the data from the Indian Bureau of Mines.
A reporter from Panji Lokik Shilkar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Veteran Congress leader Pranab Mukherjee resigned as Finance Minister on Tuesday. He met Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and handed over his resignation. Mukherjee tendered his resignation to contest presidential poll scheduled in next month. He will start his poll campaign from Chennai. Pranab had joined active politics in 1969. Sources say Prime Minister will keep the Finance Ministry with himself.
On 19th of July, yet standing on the brink of such an honor, I also feel a tinge of sentiment at the thought of leaving behind my life as a political activist spanning over 4 decades. I was born in a remote village in Bengal. I know that not every decision which I have taken might have been right, but I have taken those decisions keeping in view the interests of the people whose faces appear before me more than often. Thank you indeed.
Kurtori MLA Alexo Reginaldo Lorenzo has demanded that the government should take a firm stand on travel advisory issued by the UK government to its citizens travelling to India. He says Chief Minister's assurance on retaining Dabuli Airport is not enough. There should be a written assurance from Navy that the airport would be open for civilian aircrafts. Reginaldo also says that he would raise issue of offshore casinos during the forthcoming monsoon assembly session.
Mention केला कि कालांगुट कांदोली बेल्टाचेर there are stretches where two-wheelers are with full lights come, they snatch your bikes. Magir types of robberies delay, then deaths delay due to drugs. Then they have said that stray dogs. Then they have said that popular tourist destinations should not be travelled during the night. Then isolated spots, female travellers should observe local dress. I am just warning and cautioning the government कि हुई तोरी we should take action. This is just the beginning of the season. And ये season जो तोरे पोतून bad झाले, as it is market down जायता हा. There should be सारखे restraint. हुई तोरी action जावपा जाय, हुई तोरी जावपा जाय कि बाबा आमगे government is chief minister request करता. कि फाटी पोयर election को सांगिल्ले कि chief minister की airport आमी तशे दत्तलेत आणि कितें. See, airport पर दोरपाको, Dabuli airport chief minister सांगपाय ना. The Navy has to tell. We have to have a written assurance from the Navy. हुई तोरी कि बाबा that land will be kept exclusively for airport.
Reginald Lawrence says that he would raise issue of offshore casinos during the assembly session. He addressed media in the cabin of Leader of Opposition.
Main issues we are taking is we will be taking, as far as I am concerned, I will be taking up casinos. Yes. I will be taking up issue on casinos because our Honorable Chief Minister, who was a then opposition, always wanted to remove them from the Mandovi. And that is only the issue which I am fighting for. Because if he wanted to do it when he was in the opposition, I know how he was fighting. And not only that, forget about all this. He has to, even there were people who got involved that time. Hat can't stop Kutkam, that is one of the issues which I will take. I will take the medium of instruction issue also.
A video journalist from Panji, Omkar Farari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.